Type 3 SPD needs to operate in coordination with Type 1 and Type 2 SPD to build a comprehensive surge protection system, ensuring the stable operation of sensitive electronic equipment in commercial, industrial, and smart automation systems. Type 3 SPD TLP series features a flame-retardant enclosure, a monobloc structure, and DIN rail mounting. Type 3 SPD TLP series uses high-quality MOV and GDT components, withstands multiple surge events, and provides a visual window and floating switch when surge protector fails. Type 3 SPD offers a voltage protection level below 1.5 kV, a nominal discharge current of 3 kA, and a 6 kV open circuit voltage, and is used to protect equipment operating at 24 volts, 48 volts, 60 volts, 120 volts, and 230 volts. Type 3 SPD is typically installed close to sensitive equipment to provide surge protection for terminal equipment. Type 3 SPD can be connected in series for circuits up to 25 amps and must be connected in parallel when the circuit current exceeds 25 amps. Type 3 SPD provides protection against transient overvoltages and surges for terminal equipment. LSP, reliability in surge protection.